Hello friends, myself Ajay Eknath Chaudhary and I have completed my BE in Mechanical Engineering. Today's date is 10th February 2022 and this is a real video for today's topic, difference between for while and do while loop in Java. So first of all we see what is loop. A loop executes the sequence of statement many times until the stated condition becomes false is called as loop. A loop consists of two parts, a body of loop and control statement. The control statement is combination of some condition that direct the body of loop to execute until the specified condition become false. The purpose of loop is to repeat the same code a number of times. This is the purpose of loop. So now we have to see about while loop. So what is while loop? A while loop is the most straightforward looping structure. It is entire entry control loop in which a while loop a condition is evaluated before processing a body of the loop. If the condition is true, then and only then the body of the loop is executed. After the body of the loop is executed, the control again goes back to beginning and the condition is checked. If it is true, the same process is executed until the condition becomes false. Once the condition becomes false, the control goes to out of the loop. Now, in a while loop, while loop condition, the condition is not true, then the body of the loop will not execute, and not even once or not even twice, thrice. Now we will see about do while loop. What is do while loop? Do while loop is similar to while loop, but it's except the condition is always executed after the body of the loop, not before the body of the loop. It is also called as a exist control loop, which control the existence of the program. In the do while loop, the body of the loop is always executed at least once. After the body is executed, then it checks the condition. If the condition is true, then it will again execute the body of the loop. Otherwise, control is transferred out of the key. Now, the key difference between while and do while loop. So while loop checks the condition first and execute the statement, whereas do while loop will execute the statement at least once, then the condition is checked. While loop next one is while loop is entry control loop, whereas do while loop is exist control loop. Next is a point is in the while loop we do not need to add a semicolon at the end of the while condition, but we need to add a semicolon at the end of the while condition in the do while loop. While loop statement is executed 0 times if the condition is false, whereas do while executed at least once to show the programmer. While loop always initialization of counter variable before starting the body of the loop, whereas a do while loop always initialize of counter variable before and after starting of the body of the loop. Do while loop, where while it checks condition first is executed statement. This loop will execute this statement at once, then the condition is checked. While loop always initialization of counter variable before start and the body of the loop. Do while loop always initialize of counter variable before and after the body of the loop. The entry control loop, it is called as the entry control loop, and it can exist control loop also. We do not need to add a semicolon at the end of the while condition, but we need to add a semicolon at the end of the while condition statement. In case of single statement, we do not need to add bracket. Brackets are always needed. In this loop, the condition is mentioned at the starting of the of the loop, but in while loop the loop condition is specified after the block is executed. Statement can be executed 0 times if the condition is false. Statement is executed at least once. So loop are very important for the repetition of repetition of code which we are appear. It can be syntax by for I equal to 0, that is I is less than up to the length of the length or size of the index, and till the counter plus plus, that is I plus plus. So this is all about today's topic, difference between do while and do while loop. So thank you for watching my video.